Hi guys and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll be talking about on what stock we traded today, and also I'll be showing you my live trade and also the live market analysis, and also I'll be showing the what are the profit we were able to book today, and also I'll be telling you guys how you can make consistent profit like us. So to get all this information, make sure you watch this video till the end. So guys, yes, today is 18th of September. Okay, so the pre-open market is now running. So let me go to market data and pre-open market and see what's happening. So as you guys can see, the pre-open market is still running. So as of now, the market is almost 0.59% up. Okay, so Nifty 50 is at 11,584.25. Okay, so this is how the pre-open market is running right now. So once the pre-open market is closed, we'll get to know where the Nifty 50 is opening today, and we'll see. And also I'll be showing you a live trade what I do today, so stay tuned for that. So guys, as you can see, the pre-open market is now closed and the market is opening at 0.59% up. Okay, that is at 11,584.10, and the advanced stocks are 46 and declines are only 2 and the unchanged stocks are 2 again. Okay, so according to this stats, I think the market will be in upper trend today. We'll see how the market will perform once it opens. And yes, as you guys can see here, Cipla is like 3.79% up, Dr. Reddy with 3.58% up, and Sun Pharma with 1% up. So a lot of the stocks are opening in the gap up section today. And coming to the stocks which are opening in the downtrend are very less. JSW with only 0.54% down. Hindu Unilever with 0.39% down. Okay, so Infi and HCL Tech are the two stocks which are having on unchanged segment. So yes, so this is how the market is looking as of now. So just in few minutes I'll tell you on what stock I will be trading today, on what stock I picked today. So guys, I have selected ITC to trade today. Okay, so the stock what we'll be trading today is on ITC. I have not taken any entry yet. Once I take a buy or sell entry, I'll update you guys, but the stock we have selected is ITC. And before that, if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get all the notifications from my channel. I'll be uploading a lot of educational videos, intraday trading strategies, tricks, tips, and lot of things in my channel, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Okay, and also if you're new to my stock market trading, if you're having losses and want to recover your losses and want to learn how to make money consistently in trading, you can join my course. I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is tradingzero.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money constantly, and people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers. And if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. And also if you're new to stock market trading, I'll be guiding you from the basics to make you earn consistent profit. And also if you're having losses, I'll be helping you to recover your losses. You can go through all of these feedback messages and earning proof. So if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to start making consistent profit like this, you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy unique and secret strategies with no indicators, and also I'll be teaching you guys how to pick the stocks every day and a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on a capital. That is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk-free trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. Okay, so guys, by being said that, now let me show you the live trade what I did today. So guys, I have short sold it around 179. Okay, so we are holding the short sell trade of ITC now. 179 is where we short sold. So we'll see if I can achieve 0.5% target today. And also guys, as you can see, Nifty 50 was at 0.56% up in the opening, and now it has come down to 0.33%. Okay, so even Nifty 50 is also going down as of now, but in pre-open market it looked in bullish way, but now it's going down. So we'll see how this would perform. And now, as you guys can see, ITC we have short sold at 179, and the low made as of now is 178.50. So I'm waiting for ITC to achieve our target. So guys, as you can see, it's at 178.30 as of now. So this is the low what it has made. So we're short sold at 179, and yes, in the middle it went a little bit up, like around 179.40, and then again it started to come down again. And even the Nifty, again it's back to 0.31%. So it tried to go up. Okay, the Nifty tried to go up and it couldn't go up, and again it's continuing to come back down again. The same thing happened with our stock as well. Okay, so ITC is what I selected. So that tried to go up again, it didn't go up, so it's coming back down again. So this is the analysis what I did and picked the stocks. So yes, it is continuing to fall down. So guys, yes, hit our target, as you guys can see here. So 177.80 is the low what it has made as of now. And yes, as we predicted, the stock fell down and our 0.5% target is easily achieved, and it might go further down also, so we'll see. But anyway, so maintaining the discipline and following the rules to make consistent profit in intraday trading is very important. Okay, so yes, according to the analysis what I did, the target was achieved, and this was the trade what we took, and this was the call what was given to my clients also, even they have booked the profit today. So guys, as you can see, the ITC has made a low of 177.50 as of now. Okay, so this is a low what it has made as of now, and this is the trade what I took today and made profit. Okay, so this was the call what was given to my client also, even they booked the profit. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this, you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also guys, these are the client screenshot of profit what they have shared with me. So ITC 1750 rupees profit, and also client has given a feedback, okay, that once he joined the course he is able to make his profits on independently, and also he is able to get good profits in stock market. So you can read the feedback messages here. 8126 rupees profit, 1750 rupees profit, 1600 rupees profit, and 1158 rupees profit. So these are the profit what you're able to book today in today's trade of ITC. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Okay, and also you guys can go inside my channel and watch all the other videos. There are a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel. So watch all of these things and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. And also every day I upload like how much profit we made and on what stock we traded with the profit proof every single day. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to stop your losses from today, you can join us now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.